Let's do a quick comparison of two of the latest drones on the market, the DJI Avata360 and the Antigravity A1. Starting with the DJI Avata360. You're getting 1-inch flagship imaging, 8K at 60 frames per second HDR video with 10-bit D-Log-M, full 360 capture, dual shooting modes, both 360 and a standard single lens FPV mode, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and integrated propeller guards. Now compare that with the Antigravity A1, which comes with a slightly smaller sensor, 8K at 30 frames per second, no log profile and 55 megapixel photos. So from an imaging perspective, the Avata360 is clearly pushing for higher end video quality. That said, both of these do let you reframe your shots after the recording, which is the biggest advantage of 360 drones in general. So the difference between these is the Avata360 is giving you flexibility alongside a more traditional drone experience. On the other hand, the Antigravity A1 is entirely built around the capture first, frame later workflow. Now looking at performance, the Avata360 offers up to 20K transmission range, full omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 42 GB of built-in storage, around 23 minutes of flight time, and weighs 444 grams, which contributes to stability and durability, whereas the Antigravity A1 only has a 12.8K transmission range, only forward and backward obstacle sensing, around 20 GB of storage, but it does have a longer battery life, up to 24 minutes on the standard battery, or up to 39 minutes if you go for the high capacity option. And it comes in at just 249 grams, which in most regions is definitely a good thing. So you can see in both cases, they both have their own advantages and disadvantages. Now when it comes to pricing, this is where we see the biggest difference, and these two drones are literally worlds apart in price. The DJI Avata360 starts at only £409 for the drone on its own, which is great if you already own a compatible DJI controller or goggles. If you want the full combo with goggles and a motion controller, that comes in at £829. But the starting price for the Antigravity A1 is a whopping £1,219. And that does include the vision goggles and grip motion controller, so it's a complete ready-to-fly system out of the box. If you want the full ultimate bundle, propeller guards, 256 GB SD card, well that's going to cost you around £1,659. And this will be the biggest deciding factor for a lot of people, because the Avata360 is giving you a much lower entry point and flexibility, while the A1 delivers a fully bundled immersive setup, but that's going to cost you a lot to get started. So it's nice to see two different approaches to 360 capture, giving you the user the ability to select which features work best for you. That's all for now. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!